Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gwent. Gwent is a captivating card game where two players compete to win 2 out of 3 rounds. Each player begins with a hand of 10 cards, strategically placing them on their side of the board. The board features 3 distinct rows: melee, ranged, and siege, each designed for specific unit types. Your goal is to accumulate more total power than your opponent in a round to claim victory. Gwent features several card types, each with unique functions. Unit cards are your primary combatants, possessing a power value and often special abilities. Special cards, on the other hand, don't have power but can significantly alter the game state by boosting your units or damaging your opponents. Additionally, each player commands a powerful leader card, offering a unique ability that can be activated once per game. Effective positioning is just as crucial as good aim. As a hitscan hero, you generally want to maintain a safe yet effective distance from the enemy team, often around 20 to 30 meters, to maximize your damage output while minimizing incoming fire. Always seek out high ground. It provides a significant advantage by offering better sight lines and cover. Stay vigilant for enemy flankers and be mindful of powerful ultimate abilities that can quickly eliminate you. Smart positioning keeps you alive and dealing consistent damage. Mastering Gwent involves strategic thinking. One crucial tip is to manage your hand carefully, ensuring you have enough cards for all 3 potential rounds. Knowing when to deploy your powerful leader ability can be a game changer, often best saved for a critical moment. Sometimes, passing early in a round can be a smart move, allowing you to gain card advantage for subsequent rounds. Always try to anticipate your opponent's strategy to counter their plays effectively.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.